What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a fat minute, actually. We're kind of in a rush because we are a little late, but we are going to hang out with Matt and go shooting for sunset. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we made it at his house. Don't know where he at though. Is
what's up?
Hey guy.
What are you doing?
Okay, we're on our way up. Matt is filming right now. Say hi.
What's up?
Okay, so we got about like a 10-minute drive. Okay, we made it to the spot. It's a nice like little park, and we're walking up the trail to our little destination. Okay, day 96, walking up the trail. Or not.
Sick, I got that set up now.
Yeah, I know, right? Boom. We're not at the top yet. I'm tired. Matt, you tired?
What's up?
You tired?
Not really.
Oh, well, I'm tired. We're at the top of the trail. It goes up to this little peak right here. We're not gonna go up there. Instead, there's a little trail right here, or a truck trail, and you can't really see it, but there's some barrels right up there that we're gonna go up there and get some shots. We're running out of time. Sun's kind of setting, but should be getting there soon. All right, we switched over to the GoPro cam. So right now I'm just setting up my camera. We're gonna chuck it up to f8. ISO 100. Aim. Alright, so there's. Oh, that's really dark. Why is it so dark? That's so dark. So then we go 100 and 400. Okay, that looks good. Alright, let's keep going.
That's got to be cool.
Alright, we're gonna get another one looking off into the distance. Alright, those two look good, nice and shiny. Those two look good, nice and shiny. Alright, so now we are headed out that way. This will be fun. Alright, so the truck trail that we were on right here kind of broke off, so there's already like dented bushes all the way up, so we're gonna head up there. Almost out of daylight, it's fine though. I like the pastel colors. I really like the pastel colors when right after the sun has set. So Matt's gonna get a few shots here, and then we're gonna start heading up. Okay, so made it to these barrels right before sunset, but I don't know how much I actually like it from this spot. What I'm thinking is that we go up on this little hill right here. Matt, should we stay here, or do you want to like shoot up here? Cause yeah, okay, that's what I was thinking. So I thought this would look cool, but it's like a little low, and it's yeah. We're gonna tread up to this hill right here. Okay, so we made it up there, but the grass is really tall and there's a giant snake thingy, so we're not gonna go up there. It's scary. I don't do snakes. Matt's going this way, so I guess we're going this way. And we're probably gonna go back down a little bit to where we just were.
You good?
Okay, so we shot a little bit up here. The sun's gonna set in the next 5-10 minutes, so we're gonna make our way back down a little bit to kind of the same area, but it's not so steepish, so it won't be as hard to shoot at. So that's good. Up to 1,250. Looks a bit better. That looks kind of bad now. Do vertical. I like a lot of that the sky. All right, so we back to the spot that I normally used to shoot at. Matt is still making his way down the mountain, but we back. Gonna probably stay here. The sun is just about setting. We're gonna have those really nice pastel colors, and so yeah, we're gonna get those pastel colors. Probably gonna shoot here until the pastel colors are kind of gone. Then when it gets dark, we're gonna make our way back down and leave. So we're already about halfway done. We are still making our way. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say besides that beautiful sunset we got. All right, so now that the sun has set, we kind of have the diffused orange and yellow and blue, so it looks really nice. So we're gonna get a few shots of Matt, and I don't know what else, but we're gonna get some more shots here, then we'll see you later. So we're gonna go down the car after, and yeah, that's it. Now Matt standing right here reaching out for the sun. Yes. Gotta turn the camera. Up down it to 2.8. Up shutter. Down ISO. Can you like spread all your fingers out evenly? I mean, not like that, like calm, like this. Like this, man. Like that. Yeah. Hold on. Can you bring your hand closer to the center of you? Out. Yeah. So, yeah, put your arm that's grabbing, put it like up more, yeah, like that. And yeah. Sit on the ground. Oof. Oh, you're so dark. Okay. Well, we're on our way down. It's been a kind of a hard shoot, to be honest, because a lot of the sky is really overexposed and he's underexposed, and trying to bring him up on Lightroom is going to be hard, and I don't know if it's going to work properly, but we'll try. And So yeah, well, we're gonna head down. That will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. What else is there? Follow Matt on Instagram. He's filming today. Thank you. Yeah. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.
You don't have like an outro or something?
No.
No? Think of one right now. Come on.
Alright, my chicken nuggets. I'll see you later.